to Astrofox, the YouTube channel. So today we'll see the Karana and Vara, the remaining two Angas of Panchanga. In the previous classes we saw Tithi, Nakshatra and Yogam. So the left is Vara and Karana. Karana is nothing but one half of the Tithi, and there are 11 Karanas, out of which 4 are called Sthira Karana or fixed Karanas. That is, they will come only once in a month and they should be always avoided. And there are 7 Karanas which are Charakarnas or movable. They keep repeating. So what are those? Let us see. All the Charakarnas or movable Karnas are good except Vishti. So Vishti is second half of the Bhadra Karana. And those movable Karnas are Bhavam, Balavam, Kovalavam, Taitulam, Garesai, Vanija and Vishti. So apart from Vishti, all the other Karnas can be used for the auspicious activities. And the Sthira Karnas are the fixed Karnas such as Shakuni, Chatuspadam, Naga and Kimstuganam should be always avoided for all the auspicious activities. And next we have to choose the Vara, which day is good. Before that, if you see this picture, you can understand the interaction between the Tithi and Karana. How the different Tithis have been attached to different Karnas in the Sukla Paksha and the Krishna Paksha. And if you see the diagram more, here we get information. The Chatuspadam and Nagavam, the Sthira Karnas, are attached to the Amavasya. That is one of the reasons they are avoided for all auspicious activities apart from the nature of the Karana itself. Fine. Next we will go into the Vara or the weekday. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are said to be best days to carry any auspicious activities. Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday, it is said they should be always avoided. And some authors also have mentioned Sunday to be a neutral day. However, Tuesday and Saturday should be always avoided in general purpose. There are certain exceptions where it is said Tuesday can be chosen if it is after half day, and some cases even Saturday are also chosen if other Murtha factors are very good, and if it is unavoidable, some emergency Murtha has to be fixed. But on all general basis, it's better to avoid this Tuesday and Saturday at least. Thank you. Have a nice day.